If chicken breast, eggs, and protein shakes are starting to feel like your entire personality, you have way more options than you think. Here are 12 high-protein foods that can make hitting your protein goal a whole lot less boring. And some of these are probably already sitting in your grocery store. You just may not think of them as protein foods. Cod, very lean and easy to season differently. Skyr, thicker high-protein alternative to regular yogurt. Pork tenderloin, lean, inexpensive, and very versatile. Ground bison, good beef alternative when you want to change. Canned salmon, affordable, convenient, no cooking required. Scallops, lean protein that cooks incredibly fast. Turkey tenderloin, easy meal prep protein besides chicken. Edamame, plant protein plus fiber and great for snacking. Higher protein pasta, chickpea, lentil, or protein-enriched varieties. Chicken thighs, yes, still chicken, but much harder to get bored with. Cottage cheese, especially blended into sauces and dips. Halibut, or another firm white fish, filling and easy to rotate into dinners. You don't need to eat chicken breast 7 days a week to hit your protein goal. Pick 2 or 3 of these the next time you grocery shop and rotate them into what you already eat. It makes eating high protein so much easier to stick with. And tell me below, which one of these do you already eat, and which one are you going to try?